Hello, pretty often I receive messages like, I found the strategy, it works perfect in backtesting, but in forward testing it sucks. So what's wrong, how to solve it? So I decided to create this video and to explain one of the main reasons that happen. This is related to a bug TradingView has in version 2 with security function. And let me show it to you in practice. So here I have Bitcoin 1 hour chart, and here is I have small script. And what it does, it just takes Bitcoin daily close and plot it on chart. So let's see. So here we have value, and you can see that here is bars are inside day, or these hourly bars, and this daily close changes only on the last bar, and it corresponds to the close of the last hourly bar. So this is something we expect from it. But if we'll change version 3 to version 2 and edit again, we'll see completely different behavior. So this our close value should be from starting from here to there from version 3, but in version 2 we kind of know the future, because for these first hours in the day we cannot know this value right here, and this is a kind of bug, but and this bug really allows you to create kind of perfect strategies, but these strategies won't work in reality for sure. So let me show you an example of strategy that will be just perfect. So what I do, I will add a few lines for entries. So let's so for long, let's enter long when we see 5% increase in price from current close to daily close. Like that, and this would be more than 5%. Let's use the same stuff for short side, but just opposite. When we see more than 5% drop in price, we enter short position. Let me just change it from study to strategy and edit the chart. Okay, now we see just perfect strategy, 99% profitable, 100% net profit with just 3% drop down. It's just too good to be true. This strategy just cannot work that way, you know, and there are people that use this stuff to trick you and to create, you know, strategies that are perfect and sell them. But you should be very attentive when you work with the strategies. And let's just see how it will change when we'll change version 2 to version 3. I will add it again. And now it looks like reality, you know, we see a drop in price, only 55% profitable. It's almost a random strategy, you know, and what we can expect from it. So as a rule of thumb, I think you should always try to use strategies with version 3, because they're kind of protected from the stuff. They kind of deprecated to look into the future with security function. And if you cannot do this, you know, because version 3 is not backwards compatible, I think you should just be very attentive about security functions. When you see security function that takes data from the time frame that is larger than your current time frame, that really can be a problem, and just try to avoid this stuff. Okay, I hope that helped you, and thank you for watching. Bye.